Hello again, fellow adventurers. KeeKee here with another episode of What to Expect When You Travel. Good news, you're almost there. You've made it through airport check-in and security. Wonderful job. Now it's time to find your gate. The gate is where you'll wait before boarding the airplane. Think of it like the airplane's parking spot. After security, you're going to want to check out your boarding pass. It will show you your gate number. It will say something like Gate B12, and that's where you will board your airplane. Follow the signs. Airports have signs everywhere pointing to all the different gates. Look for signs with your gate number. Sometimes you might have to walk a bit, and sometimes you might have to ride a bit. You may get to ride on a fun train between terminals. Oh, a terminal is what they call the different buildings where the airplanes are parked. When you find your gate, you will see rows of seats and a big window where you can watch the airplanes coming and going. Look for screens near your gate. They'll show you your flight number, destination, that's where you're going, and the boarding time. Around the gate area, you will probably see shops and restaurants, sometimes bookstores, and more. This is a great place to find a snack if you're hungry. When it's almost time to board, to keep things organized, they will call people up in groups.
Now boarding, families with small children.
Good news for us, they usually allow families with young children to board first. When your group is called, you will line up with your boarding pass ready to go. A gate agent will scan it, beep, and welcome you aboard. And then you head to your seat. And that's it! The gate is just your waiting spot before the real adventure begins. It might feel busy, but it's all part of the journey. Next up, what to expect when you're aboard the plane.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard.
Until then, adventure awaits!